in Media, Pennsylvania, where we're located, 12 to 15 years due to the fact that we have a full heating season and a full cooling season. At that point, sometimes it's easier to change it out due to economic reasons because of high utility overpayment. For more details, look us up on the website or call our office and we'll go over your particular situation.